Welcome back guys in the lecture of HTML. Today is not the session of lecture, but today I would like to give you some task. Okay, so you can name this lecture as task session. Okay, what I will give you 5 tasks here. Okay, and you have to complete all the 5 tasks whatever we have learned so far. By using those skills you have to complete these 5 tasks, and after completing just mail me, okay, with your name and with your number. Okay, so here is the first task. What you have to do, you have to create a web page containing navigation bar, means menu. Under in menu you can use home, about us, contact us, whatever. The below div is showing image banner. Okay, you have to use a static image. Okay, make image width 100%. Okay, and height you can give 400 pixel. And the third div is containing 3 more divs inside, right? So what you have to do, in the first division you have to put an image, in the second division you have to put a video, and the third division you have to put audio. Okay, so pause the button and take a screenshot of this task. This is your first task. Okay, so coming on the second task, you have to create a div containing 4 children divs. Okay, so each children divs is having some listing styles. First is unordered listing, just a default one you have to create, and you can use any data, any random data for listing. Okay, the second is order listing of type 1, means of type numeric. It should come like 1 2 3 4. Okay, the third one is also the same, but the format is in the Roman system basically. Okay, and the fourth unordered listing, by default it is in the form of circle, but you have to make it square. Okay, so this is our second task. Now coming on the third task, you have to create a page with background color of dark blue. I think this is okay. So in that web page you have to create a 4 button: button 1, button 2, button 3, and button 4. Okay guys, so here the first one is in red, but remember there is no background color. Okay, only the border and the text color is there. So while making a button, be careful about this. Okay, the second one is also the same, but the color and the text color is different. Okay, the third one is having background color of blue. Okay, and the fourth one is also the transparent one, but with border of purple color. So this is your third task. And coming on the fourth task, so here it is, like you have to create a web page having header, left sidebar, main content, right sidebar, and the footer. Same, use same color. Okay, and the last one is you have to create a table with alternate row color. Here I think this is faded green. Okay, so alternately you have to use color through CSS in a row. Okay, and one more thing, like here if you notice in the table the lines are dotted. Okay, the border is dotted. So what you have to do, you have to use in a CSS, you have to type border style equal to dotted. Okay, I hope this 5 task is clear now, and you guys have to complete it. After complete, just mail me and we will proceed further. Okay guys, see you in the next lecture guys. Till then, do practice. Okay, see you.